The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. This is not a typo. Yes, you can get a 3-bedroom/2-bath waterfront condo that's completely furnished and includes a boat slip for under $160,000. You'll love the open floor plan of this top floor and unit, and the amazing views of the main channel, along with the fireplace and neutral decor. It's only one level up from parking, so there's not many stairs. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the main level, and a 3rd bedroom loft. Bay Point Village is a wonderful complex located close to everything off of KK. It sits on 25 acres in a park-like setting and includes 2 pools, tennis court, a clubhouse, gym and boat trailing parking. It's located at the 24 mm of the main channel that gives you a choice of the calmer waters of the lake or where all the action is. It's just down the road from Margaritaville and the Oaks Golf Club, so you're close to dining, shopping, golf and the hospital. Make your appointment to see it today.